Hello, welcome. My name is David Osamu J. If you're just joining me for the first time, I say welcome to my channel. Yes, my channel is all about backtesting trading strategy on the US30. Yes, you heard me right. I backtest different trading strategy on the US30 so that you don't have to go through the stress of doing it for yourself. You know the win rate, you know if it's going to be profitable for you on the long run. I've started this series from November of 2019, and I'm going to be going on in this series testing different strategy. So if you're interested in this one, make sure you stick around and like the video, and let's see how it goes from now on. Okay, for this new series, I just ended the Bolingua band strategy series, so if you want to check that out for yourself, you could go check that out after the video. But this one is going to be about the alligator trading strategy. Yes, I'm using the Williams alligator indicator for this one, and the rules are simple. If you've been following my channel, you know I love to follow the trend, and that is why you have this orange line here. This is the 200 moving average, and this is the price below it, which says it's a downtrend. So what are we looking for a downtrend? We are looking for the lips of the alligator indicator. This green one is called the lips. If you go to the alligator settings, you can see it. You have the blue, which is the jaw, the teeth, the pink line, and the green line is the lips. So once the lips closes across remaining, that's a change of trend, and that means you get the trigger to enter your trade. Okay, so for this one, this would have been our first trade here. Remember, I target a 1.5 to 1 win reward ratio. That's 1 to 1.5 win reward ratio. Okay, so when I lose 10. If I win 15, you get. So that's the way it works. So it's simple. All I need to do now for this one is to set one. So this is where it crossed just here. So this would have been my first trade. Okay, that would have been my first trade. Obviously that would have been a loss for me for my first trade, but my second trade, if we go on, my second trade would have come in here, if I'm not wrong. Okay, yes, this would have been my second trade, so I would have taken that from here, and trust me, that second one would have been a winner if we did a 1 to 1.5 win reward ratio. So you can see how easy it is. So let's go over and take some trades. We'll take some trade and see how it goes. So join me while I take some trade. Remember, watch so that you understand what is really happening while I take these trades. So after backtesting for well over 87 traders trading from the beginning of the year to the 31st of December, first I want to say Happy New Year. If you're seeing this in the new year, we're going to have a fulfilled year. Just stick to your plans and trust me, you're going to make it. So let's get back to the result. So after taking 87 trade, I was able to win 46 and I lost 41. This is the second best profit margin I've seen after the big boobs indicator. So you might want to check the big boobs 1 minute backtesting indicator, backtesting test. Sorry about that, backtesting result. Yes, you might want to check the backtesting result to get the win rate for it. For this one, we lost 5 in a row and won 5 in a row, just similar to the big boobs indicator trading strategy, which I did some time back. You can check that out for yourself. It's a series. I've already done that, so you can watch that series as a playlist. I'm going to link it up for you guys so that you guys can check it out. So this was another profitable one on the 1 minute strategy. If you ask me, this was profitable. I really enjoyed doing this one for you guys. Yes, I had a win rate of 52%, which is good. If you ask me, 52%, making a $2,800 profit on a $10,000 account. It's not bad at all. So if you love this video, make sure you like it, and if you wish to subscribe to see more videos, then you can do that, but if not, fine by me. But make sure you check out the big boobs strategy. That was another profitable one for me on this channel, so make sure you check that out for yourself, and I'll see you on the 5 minute back test with the alligator indicator, the alligator trading strategy. Stay blessed. I love you all.